I didn't see you there. I was just relaxing in my garden, having a lovely cool drink of my veggie juice using my straw. I love using a straw to drink my veggie juice. It helps me to get the nutrients that is in my veggie juice right up and into my mouth, and I can do this by sucking the juice up the straw. Have you ever used a straw before? Did you notice that when you suck up the straw, it brings your cool drink up into your mouth? My drink goes up, and when I let go, it goes down. Now, if you have used a straw before, and you did notice that you had to suck your drink up into your mouth, then you will love learning all about what the parts of plants do today. And that's what we'll be learning about today. So let's go and get to it. Now, before I start working in my garden, I need to have 4 things. Do you remember what they were? Let's go ahead and see if we remember what they are and count them as we go. Number 1, my sun hat, and today I've got a beautiful big sun hat on. Number 2, a sun-safe shirt with long sleeves. Number 3, my sunscreen on my arms and my face. And number 4, my gardening gloves. Yes, now we are ready to garden! Now let's get back to our learning about plants. And we are about to make an awesome discovery. So remember how I said if you have ever used a straw before to drink your drink, then you will notice that you have to suck your drink up through the straw to get it into your mouth. Well, did you know that the roots of a plant are like a straw? Let me show you. Very carefully take this plant out to show you the roots that are tucked underneath the soil. Okay, here are the roots. Now, the roots act like a straw because they suck up all of the nutrients and the water from the soil into the stem. I know, it's unbelievable what they can do. Now, the roots join onto the stem, and then the stem is also like a straw. It sucks up all of the water and nutrients, working together with the roots, up into the leaves and the flowers. Now the stem sucks up all of the water and nutrients from the soil up into the leaves to make them big and healthy and strong so they can do their job, which is to use the sun for light and energy and turn that light and energy into food for the plant. Yummy. Let's tuck you back inside nice and safe into the soil. Okay. So the water and nutrients keep going up and up the stem and into the flowers to help them do their job, which is to smell lovely and look beautiful, to attract insects, especially bees, to help them pollinate and make new plants. Now, let's see if we can answer the question, if a plant is a living thing. I wonder. Well, I've got this very special chart here to help us find out. It says, plants are living things. They need... Well, we know that the roots and the stem of a plant help it to suck up water and nutrients from the soil to help the plant live. And we also know that the leaves use the sunlight to make food for the plant to help the plant live. And we also know that plants love to be outside where they have fresh air and space to grow. Do you know what? I think that means that plants are living things. I know! Mind blown! Thanks for watching. Now what should I wish for? I wish I wish that I could learn how to turn seeds into plants in my garden. Bye!
On the next episode of Mrs. McDonald's Garden, join us next time for a fun science experiment to find out what seeds need to grow.